Hi, I'm Alex Penfold, the founder of Jaxon Lane, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Bro Mask, the sheet mask that started it all for our brand. Essentially, Jen and I were a husband and wife team that founded this company, and we started this company because I was always trying on her sheet masks that her friend was bringing from South Korea, but they were always like too small for my jawline, and if I ever had any facial hair, it would just hang over because they were all one piece. So we decided to go out and make the best sheet mask possible, made in South Korea, which is the sheet mask mecca of the world. And we just basically went out, made a hydrogel sheet mask that really hydrates the skin, and it's just a staple of my routine now and something that I love to incorporate in my skincare routine. Some of the hero ingredients that we included in the Bro Mask are niacinamide, peptides, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and we also have 9 plant extracts. The material that we made this sheet mask out of is called hydrogel. And so this is often used in wound care for burn patient victims that are in recovery. You can put a nice serum in between and it really hydrates the skin and helps those ingredients absorb. And so by using that over, say, a cotton sheet mask, we can really make the most of the serum that's been placed between the sheet mask and your skin.